Shakira, Shakira. Beauty 6.
To elevate our beloved province of Sarangani, we must have common directions as Sarangans. As depicted in our theme, Ikaw, Ako, Munato, Tayo. I will promote our tourism selling points by making fascinating vlogs, and every Sarangan could contribute by just a click. I will feature the beauty of Sarangani, such as the pristine white beaches in Glan, the Inaolmalong weaving factory in Malapatan, the booming plantation and livestock industry in Alabel, the paragliding sites in Maasim, the white water tubing in Maitum, the Tuca Marine Park adventure in Kiamba, and of course, the scenic mountaintop of my beloved municipality of Malungon. Foreign tourists will surely be enthused with our province where the mountains meets the sea. Indeed, Sarangani is the land of beauty.
Candidate number 2.
After the global pandemic, the Department of Tourism endeavors to ensure tourism resiliency of the country's prime destination. And one of these is our beloved Sarangani province. If given a chance of a lifetime opportunity, I will promote it through full implementation of sustainable tourism development. This responsible way of promoting our diversity, tourist attractions, and natural resources takes full account of its current and future economics, addressing the needs of our visitors, the industries, and conservation of our environment. By doing this, we can ensure stability, improvement, and upkeeping of Sarangani province for the future generation. Dahil ako, ikaw, Munato tayo para sa turismo.
Candidate number 3.
I will write Sarangani in a dictionary and be defined as a land of beauty, a home of bounty, and a tapestry of diversity. And in order for me to instill this portrait in the global community, it is through the power of advertising and media-based activity such as print, broadcast, and social media. That is how we can truly promote our enticing tourism in the global community. And with that, my fellow Sarangan, join me in my mission and let's elevate Sarangani. Now grab your cell phones, take a picture of this wonderful event and upload it in your social media account and use the hashtag Sarangani natin to. Hashtag ikaw, ako, Munato tayo.
Candidate number 4.
In the past collective years, the province of Sarangani has been notified as promising tourism industry in the island of Mindanao. In this, the tourism industry has become a major source for generating revenue and provides job opportunities among Sarangans. And to this generation, it simply replicates and manifests that the Sarangani province continuously sustains
in casual wear. Congratulations to our best in casual wear, candidate number 11.
Presenting the award for our best in casual wear is our board member, the Honorable Jose Tractalino Ruiz, and the mother of our First Lady, Madam Josephine Reyes.
you have it once again, your best in casual wear, candidate number 11.
Up next is the best in swimwear. You stood out during the swimwear competition. Sino ba ang best in swimwear? Sino? Sino dito?
Sino?
Number 5?
Number 8 daw.
Oh. Let's find out the best in swimwear. It's candidate number 11.
Congratulations.
Presenting the award for our best in swimwear is board member Gwen Singpoy and Madam Josie May Reyes, the sister of our First Lady.
Congratulations once again. And now, the next special award is one of the pre-pageant highlights, the preliminary closed-door interview. During this time, the candidates express their inner selves and the advocacies that they are championing in the province. So, good luck, girls. You won the preliminary interview. Candidate number...
I'm hearing candidate
Sino?
number 7 is right here.
Sino?
Si candidate number 7 ba? How about dito?
Maraming numero ako nakikita. Pero, ang ating winner, preliminary interview winner is candidate number 7!
Presenting the award for our best in closed-door interview is the Mayor of Malapatan, the Honorable Salway Supergender, together with his wife, Madam Flor de Lisa Sompo.
Congratulations, candidate number 7 for winning a closed-door interview. Now, the next lady to shine the brightest is the best in evening gown. Wow. Sino kaya yun?
Parinig nga, Sarangans! Best in evening gown!
Best in evening gown. Okay. Congratulations. You are the best in evening gown. Candidate number 5.
Presenting the award for our best in evening gown is the Vice Mayor of the Municipality of Malapatan, the Honorable Jean De Los Santos, together with board member Bing Aligario.
There you have it. Congratulations to all our winners, and thank you also to our presenters. You all deserve it. Thank you for loving our culture through arts.
And now, we will also give due recognition to the best designer of evening long gown. Congratulations! You are the best designer of the evening long gown. Harold Mercado, designer of candidate number 5.
Presenting the award for our best designer, Harold Mercado, is board member Russell Hamora, together with his wife, Madam Ling Hamora.
Once again, congratulations to you. Please join us on stage, Harold Mercado, the designer of our candidate number 5. Congratulations, sir. And let's have a photo op again with our best designer and There you have it, Sarangans. Once again, congratulations to all our winners and thank you to our presenters. You all deserve it. And thank you for loving our heritage, culture, and arts. Ronda Provincial.
Okay, now, from 13 equally beautiful candidates, they will be now narrowed down into 5 finalists. And to all ladies, congratulations, you all did a really great job. But of course, only 5 will get to go home with major titles. And 3 of them will get to go home with alluring crowns and new responsibilities.
And of course, we are live via Facebook. So sa lahat po ng nanonood sa ating live stream, nako, please feel free to comment your bet. And to our audience here, nako, eto na. Parinig naman po, sino ang inyong top 5? Sa
Sino
tingin
yung
nyo?
top 5 nyo? This is your last chance to shout. Top 5!
Parinig nga po! Eto na nga, Steffi. Hawak na natin. And ayan, gusto lang natin sabihin na this is in no particular order. At ang ating unang kandidata na papasok sa ating top 5, congratulations to you! Dahil pasok ka pa rin sa ating susunod na round of our competition. Candidate number 8!
Now you can be the next Pearl of Sarangani 2022. Candidate number 3.
You are still part of the competition. Candidate number
Sino kaya?
number 5!
Candidate number 5. Now let's call on. You are one step closer to the crown. Candidate number. Isigaw niyo!
Sino?
Ang lakas! Candidate number 12!
Wow! We love that energy, Sarangans. And now, the moment of truth. Last one spot.
To complete the top 5. Who would it be?
Ikaw ang kokompleto sa ating top 5 for this year's Pearl of Sarangani candidate number
Sino?
Congratulations, candidate number 11! There you go, ladies and gentlemen.
To complete, yes, our top 5 right here on stage with us.
Our Pearl of Sarangani 2022 top 5 finalists.
Wow, what a strong batch. For sure, nahirapan yung mga judges natin.
And of course, thank you so much to the rest of the candidates. You still did a great job.
And to our top 5 ladies, take a deep breath. Prepare as your journey to the crown continues. So, congratulations, ladies.
Yes, Deb. And this means we are down to the last and most awaited part of our competition, which is the final
Q&A.
question and answer.
Yan, Q&A.
Ito ang pinaka-actually nerve-cracking part.
Totoo.
Oo.
Grace under pressure talaga to.
Tama, Steph. So to guide us on what will happen on this round, here are the guidelines and criteria for the final round.
From 13 official candidates, the finalists will be narrowed down to 5. These top 5 finalists will compete for the major awards. They will then proceed to the final interview round. All scores will be back to 0. This will become the criteria in determining the major winners. The criteria for determining the winners are as follows. Beauty and overall performance 50%, which includes beauty of face, body proportion, skin tone, poise and bearing, stage presence and projection. Intelligence 50%, which includes substance and wit, content, delivery and confidence. That's for a total of 100%.
Okay, Sarangans, are you ready for the final round? So before that, let's try to make sure na hindi tayo marinig ng mga candidates natin.
Yes, siguraduhin po natin na walang maririnig because all of our candidates will get the same questions.
Yes, one question lang.
One
So let's
question.
try to see. Muisa kamot kay guwapa. Okay, wala.
Wala na. Walang
wala.
reaction eh. So let's call on candidate number 8.
Candidate
Please join
number
us.
8. Wow, I love your gown. Candidate number 8. So I'll be staying here. So, are you ready? How are you
Yeah.
feeling tonight?
Feeling nervous, but I'm really excited to win this competition.
Good luck.
Excited to win this competition. That's the spirit, candidate. What number are you? Number 8.
Good luck, candidate number 8.
So here's your question, candidate number 8. The Q&A portion is the most awaited part of any pageantry, be it globally, nationally, or locally. We heard candidates sharply answered every question they were asked for. This year's Pearl of Sarangani will be a peculiar one in any pageantry arena. We shall be hearing candidates asking and answering their own question. Now, ito ang may twist pala to. Now, ask us a question and answer your own question. Oh, this is the first time. So, ito yon. So, you'll be asking us a question, then ikaw yung sasagot sa question mo. So, any question under the sun. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
The question I would like to ask myself is, why am I here? In truth is, I have no confidence in joining this pageantry. But I am a woman of change now that I know that I can do better. Many have said that I am here for fame or for money, but I am more than that. Now that I am here, I'm going to prove that I am courage and brave, that I can beat at all the odds that will come in our way. And I know that I am a Muslim and many have discriminated me. I am a woman who received a lot of oppressed and bullying. In fact, I cried last night where people said that I am not good enough to be here in front of you. But I know that I can do better and I will do better. And I will take this as a next Pearl of Sarangani to be that I am ready to take the responsibilities as a queen of your province. Thank you.
There you have it. Please give it up once again for candidate
Number
number
8.
8.
Wow, thank you so much. Wow, first time to.
Actually, first time ko rin yan.
Di ba?
Oo.
May patwist, di ba? So let's go on candidate number 3.
And now let's welcome candidate number 3. First of all, congratulations, candidate number 3. How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling excited because I am one step closer to my dream.
And yes, good luck. This is your question. The Q&A portion is the most awaited part of any pageantry, be it globally, nationally or locally. We heard candidates sharply answered every question they were asked of. This year's Pearl of Sarangani will be a peculiar one in any pageantry arena. So we shall be hearing candidates asking and answering their own question. Now, ask us a question. Again, I'll repeat that. The Q&A portion is the most awaited part of any pageantry, be it globally, nationally, or locally. We heard candidates sharply answer every question they were asked of. This year's Pearl of Sarangani will be a peculiar one in any pageantry arena. So now, we shall be hearing candidates asking and answering their own questions. So now, ask us a question and answer it.
If I were to be asked a question, I would definitely ask myself, to you, what is a true meaning of pearl? And I firmly believe pearls are made and pearls were molded by many hardships which made it beautiful and magnificent. We were challenged by the different calamities and the COVID-19 pandemic recently. And according to Coco Chanel, a woman needs ropes and ropes of pearls. And if these pearls are working together hand in hand in order to attain that one common greater goal, which is the sustainable development of our community and be one of the best tourist spots in Sarangani, then we can attain it. For I strongly believe that pearls are you, my fellow Sarangans. No matter where you are, no matter what you came from, and no matter what you believe in, you are a Sarangan. Right now, my fellow Sarangan, tap the shoulder of the one beside you and say, ikaw, ako, Munato tayo. That's all. And happy Munato Festival.
There you have it. Once again, please give it up for candidate
Number 3.
3.
Wow. Happy Munato, Sarangan.
Yes. Sa ika nga niya, ikaw, ako,
Oh,
Munato tayo.
ganda, di ba?
And now let's call on our next candidate. Please give it up for
Candidate number 5. Hello, candidate number 5. I really love your hair.
Thank you so much.
I second the motion.
So candidate number 5, here's your question. The Q&A portion is the most awaited part of any pageantry, be it globally, nationally, or locally. We heard candidates sharply answered every question they were asked for. This year's Pearl of Sarangani will be a peculiar one in any pageantry arena. We shall be hearing candidates asking and answering their own question. So, candidate number 5, now ask us a question and you will answer it.
What is your purpose? I believe that pageantries like this are a leading platform for women like me to be heard and to be the voice of every individual. And that's the reason why I joined this pageantry. And if ever I will win this year's Pearl of Sarangani, I will use this title to advance my advocacy, which is Join the Revolutions to Stop Pollution, where it focuses on educating individuals to make a micro-action and to stop pollution by eradicating the pollution. And we should do all our part by planting trees, proper waste disposal, helping the marine life and coastal restoration. And let us do this not just for us, but also for the next generation. And we should all remember by what Mother Teresa once said, not all of us can do great things, but all of us can do small things with a great love.
Well said. There you have it.
Well said, candidate number 5. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5.
We can do small things with great love.
Truly.
Totoo yun.
And now,
Now.
it's time to call on our next candidate. Good evening, candidate number 12. First of all, congratulations. So how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling good.
Feeling good. Candidate number 12, you're very tall.
So good luck. This is your question. The question and answer portion is the most awaited part of any pageantry, be it globally, nationally, or locally. We heard candidates sharply answered every question they were asked of. This year's Pearl of Sarangani will be a peculiar one in any pageantry arena. So we shall be hearing candidates asking and answering their own questions. Now, candidate number 12, ask us a question. And kindly answer your own question.
Thank you so much for that question. The question would be, what is your purpose in life? I am a proud Baon, and I have been doing my advocacy for the past 5 years, teaching the young generation in my community to appreciate and value the rich and colorful tradition of our tribe. And I have been empowering them because I believe that that's the best thing I could do to the rest of the Sarangans, especially to those who belong in the minorities. Ladies and gentlemen, I am a woman with redefined beauty, because I have anchored my advocacy to the core reasons of the Pearl of Sarangani, which are to love one's culture, passion for beauty with a purpose, as well as appreciating those things that people actually have. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Shama Praise Biyama, and I am here to empower. Thank you so much.
Give it up once again for candidate
number 12.
Wow.
She is here to empower all the Sarangans.
I love their advocacies, I must say. And now let's call on our last but not the least candidate.
Candidate number 11, is that correct?
Yes, good evening.
Are you ready?
Yes, indeed.
Well, candidate number 11, before your final Q&A, I think you bragged like a lot of awards tonight. Like, what can you say, especially to your fans right now?
Well, I would like to thank my beloved Barangay Malandag and Barangay Talos, especially my municipality, for supporting us, the candidates here in Pearl of Sarangani. And I am very grateful to be in the top 5. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 11. Okay, you're done. A joke lang. Okay, so here's your question. Number 11. The Q&A portion is the most awaited part of any pageantry, be it globally, nationally, or locally. We heard candidates sharply answered every question they were asked for. This year's Pearl of Sarangani will be a peculiar one in any pageantry arena. We shall be hearing candidates asking and answering their own question. Now, candidate number 11, ask us a question and answer it.
Good evening, everyone. I believe that if I were to ask myself, that will be, what is my purpose in life? Because at this age, I experience a lot of adversities, especially in this trying times, the world pandemic. And with this, I realized that the importance of redefining our purpose, and that is to give back to our community. And this will I bring with me if I were to be the next Pearl of Sarangani. To uplift and to educate people about how important empathy. Therefore, let us come together in collective efforts in making our beloved province of Sarangani a history of deeper understanding towards culture, diversity, and humanity. Dahil ikaw at ako, Munato tayo. Thank you and good evening.
Once again, please give it up for candidate number 11. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, make way for your Munato Queen 2021, Miss Beryl Kit Angeline Paraluman. Ladies and gentlemen, Beryl Kit Angeline Paraluman gave pride to our province as she represented our province and being the top 12 finalist of This Earth Philippines 2022. That's your Munato Queen 2021, Beryl Kit Angeline Paraluman. And now, your Pearl of Sarangani Tourism 2019, Miss Mary Christine Nicole Suarez. Sarangans, your Pearl of Sarangani Tourism 2019, Miss Mary Christine Nicole Suarez. And now, make way to your Pearl of Sarangani 2019, Miss Francesca Borrey Elenzano Lim.
Finally, after 3 long years, I am beyond ecstatic and joyful to see all of your beautiful faces once again as we celebrate the Munato Festival this year. As your longest reigning Pearl of Sarangani, I have experienced a lot of ups and downs. It was like a roller coaster of emotions and experiences. But you know what? I would not trade all of those ordeals and experiences for anything else in this world. Because for one, this crown transformed a 17-year-old girl who knew nothing about pageantry into an elegant queen that I am today. And this title gave me an opportunity to achieve my goal, and that is to become a woman with not just a beautiful face, a mind, a heart, but with a purpose to inspire change. I owe all of this to our Lord God Almighty, who gave me this opportunity to serve and help those people who are in need, be an advocate for mental health, and be a role model to my peers and the youth. Thank you so much to the previous governor, Honorable Steve Chongbian Solon, and his wife, Ma'am Michelle Solon, and also to Ma'am Lang and Sir Arnie. Thank you so much to our current governor, Honorable Ruel Pacquiao, and his First Lady, Madam Jovel Pacquiao. Thank you so much for your trust in me. And my sincerest gratitude to my Alabel family, especially to Mayor Nonoy Salarda and Ate Ibing, my MMO family, Wang family, my friends and peers from NDDU and Mapua, and of course, my friends and family from the Lim, Alenzano, Joyce, and Son family who have been the wind beneath my wings. I am beyond honored to have represented and served Sarangani. And with that, I am now ready to turn over my crown to the next deserving young lady. This just solidified my experience that in Alabel, I have truly found bliss. But in Sarangani, I have found my forever home. This will not be the last time you will see me on stage because soon enough, I will wear a sash with Sarangani written on it on a national stage. Thank you for your support. And I am Francesca Moray Alanzano Lim, your longest reigning Pearl of Sarangani, not signing off, but taking a step back to take a giant leap of faith. Good evening and thank you, Sarangani.
Ladies and gentlemen, your reigning Pearl of Sarangani Queens, Munato Queen 2021 Meryl Kate Angeline Paraluman, Pearl of Sarangani Tourism 2019 Mary Christine Nicole Suarez, and Pearl of Sarangani 2019 Francesca Marie Alenzana Lim.
Yes, grabe! Maraming magagandang dilag dito sa Sarangani! Agree ba kayo? Daga magwapo-gwapa din ha? Kay ngit-ngit man na di maklaro. Ha? Daga gwapa din dapita?
Alam mo, hindi ko maintindihan yung sinasabi, pero naintindihan ko doon.
Alam mo,
Maraming mga magaganda at gwapo dito sa Sarangani. Ayan. Well, this is one of my favorite, I must say. And ngayon, our dear Sarangans, to witness how radiant this night is. Place your eyes on the screen and behold the same-day edit video of our tonight's pageant final highlights. Let's all watch this.
Welcome to Pearl of Sarangani 2022.
Be quiet no more, so I'll set myself free. I won't be quiet no more. I'll make you believe this is my freedom. I make kings out of queens. This is my freedom. I got the power in me. This is my freedom. I make kings out
There you go, folks. Our Pearl of Sarangani journey so far. Can we give them another big round of applause, please?
Yes, and Sarangans, keep those claps coming as we give you, for the last time, our top 5 finalists in their final look. Ladies, please join us once again.
Sarangani top 5.
And yes, mga minamahal naming Sarangan, we are still celebrating the most beautiful night in the province, the Pearl of Sarangani 2022 Coronation Night.
Yes. And okay pa mo din ha? Kinsa man inyong bet? We're hearing number 5.
Paano
Kinsa
naman
ba?
sa side na to? Sino? Who do you think among these 5 beautiful ladies will win tonight? Sino yung mga nandyan? Iba-iba.
Grabe, no? Like, what time is it? Like, mga 11 na, pero grabe pa rin yung energy ng mga tao ngayon! And of course, before announcing our winners, we would like to invite our beautiful and handsome judges to be here on stage with us.
And of course, ating 1,000 live subscribers na nanonood online. Ako, mag-ingay kayo sa online world by reacting, sharing, and commenting to this stream. Sabay-sabay natin kilalanin ang susunod na Pearl of Sarangani 2022.
And I guess all of our audience, both online and live, are ready and excited to know who will bring home the crown tonight.
And Steph, of course, I'd like to grab this chance to thank the people who help us tonight. Of course, the production of Mark the Spot. Maraming salamat po. And to the rest of our city officials for making this event possible.
Daghang salamat, Sir Mark, and to our city officials. And of course, before that, I would like to thank for my beautiful gown, Sir Garvey, Tirado, and my Moa, Jingjing, and Ningning.
And this is it, mahal naming Sarangans. The moment of truth. And of course, we will be joined by our distinguished panel of judges on this side para, of course, tulungan tayong i-present ang awards ng mga magiging winners for this year's pageant.
So ladies, may you continue to live up to the most genuine definition of Pearl Sarangani. What's yours is meant to be yours, so savor this moment.
And I believe, Steffi, hawak mo na ang resulta.
Yes, I have the final. Okay. Ito na. Let's make sure tama yung ma-announce natin.
Sarangans, we are ready to announce our winners for this year, starting with our second runner-up. Congratulations! Candidate number, your this year's second runner-up. Candidate number...
Sino?
Congratulations! Candidate number 8!
Presenting the award for our Pearl of Sarangani 2022 second runner-up is board member Russell Hamora, together with board member Gwen Singkoy and Madam Lilibet Salonga, the First Lady of the Municipality of Alapel.
Congratulations, our second runner-up, candidate number 8.
Congratulations to you! Ating second runner-up, si candidate number 8. And syempre, ayan, let's give her awards. And of course, let's have a photo op with our presenters.
We're getting closer and closer, CJ.
Yes. Nakakakaba to, Steffi.
Oo nga. Now, Up next is our first runner-up. Our first runner-up is cannon number. Sino? Dito, sino?
Sino?
Our first runner-up is cannon number 11.
Presenting the award for Pearl of Sarangani 2022 first runner-up is board member Jess Bascudia, together with board member Rosemary Martinez Sayo.
Congratulations once again to our first runner-up, candidate number 11. And now, Sarangans, it's time for the crowns. The Pearl of Sarangani 2022 Munato. Congratulations to you, candidate number the Pearl of Sarangani 2022 Munato is candidate number 3.
Presenting the award to our Pearl of Sarangani Munato 2022 is our board member Tranquilino Ruiz MD, together with board member Ben Baligario, together with the provincial director of the Sarangani Provincial Police Office, Police Colonel Nicomedes Olivar Jr.
Miss Jenny Lou Habuen.
Municipality of Kiamba. Once again, congratulations to you, Pearl of Sarangani 2022 Munato. Candidate number 3, Jenny Lou Habuen from the Municipality of Kiamba. Wow, grabe, last 2 crowns, last 2 titles.
Hapit na means malapit na.
Hapit na, malapit na. Ang dami ko natututunan sa'yo, Steph.
Now, 2 titles left. And may we invite our 2 candidates to be in front. I will be announcing the name of our Pearl of Sarangani 2022. That means the remaining candidate will be our Pearl of Sarangani Tourism. So I'll be announcing first the Pearl of Sarangani 2022. So the remaining will be the Pearl of Sarangani Tourism.
Again, mahal namin Sarangans, ang i-announce po natin, Pearl of Sarangani 2022 Tourism.
Tourism muna.
Pearl of Sarangani. Okay, i-announce na po natin ang Pearl of Sarangani 2022. So, it means yung matitira po is ang ating Pearl of Sarangani 2022 Tourism.
Yes.
Can we ask, ayan, paalala po sa ating mga audience, maaari lamang po na tayo po ay magsiurong. Ayan, let's have a crowd control. Iwasan po natin na magtulakan. Mahal nating Sarangans.
Are you guys ready?
Sarangans! Your Pearl of Sarangani 2022!
Sino ba?
Again, the Pearl of Sarangani 2022 goes to
Cannon number
Pearl of Sarangani 2022 Tourism is candidate number 12.
Presenting the award to our Pearl of Sarangani Tourism 2022 is our Provincial Administrator, Attorney Ryan J. Ramos, together with the Municipal Mayor of the Municipality of Pasig, Mr. Zyrex Pacquiao. And of course, together with our Pearl of Sarangani Tourism 2019, Mary Christine Nicole Suarez.
There we have it, Pearl of Sarangani 2022 Tourism candidate number 12, Shama Praise Yama, Municipality of Glan.
And of course, our Pearl of Sarangani.
Congratulations!
Congratulations, ladies!
And now you can have your final walk. Pearl of Sarangani 2022! Candidate number 5!
Presenting the award to our Pearl of Sarangani 2022 is the Provincial Governor of the Province of Sarangani, the Honorable Ruel Pacquiao, together with our First Lady, Madam Jabel Reyes Pacquiao, our Pearl of Sarangani 2019 reigning queen, Francesca Maria Lenzano Lim. Your Pearl of Sarangani 2022 is also this Jinka Skin, who will receive 10,000 pesos. And to present the award for this Jinka Skin, we have May Reyes, and she is also our Beast TNT Munato, to be presented by Madam Josephine Reyes.
Number 5, EJ Vergara from the Municipality of Glan.
Congratulations to our ladies tonight. You have shown how bright the future of Sarangani is with intelligence, character, and growing with beauty.
Sarangans, that was a historical night which redefined the genuine purpose of becoming an authentic Pearl of the province. This has been the Pearl of Sarangani 2022, redefining purpose.
Once again, I'm Steffi Birasteri.
And once again, my name is CJ Reyes. Mapagpalang gabi po sa ating lahat.
Magandang gabi!
Happy Munato Festival!
Everyone!
Thank you, everyone!
Pearl of Sarangani 2022, good evening and happy Munato Festival, Sarangans. See you next year.